Cosplay, I am Alice, and today, after a very long journey, I am finally going to show you my new and mostly vastly improved Ultimate Cosplay Planner! Yay! And you can see there's like a lot of pages in it. If you follow me on Instagram, you will know a few months ago I had an issue with the Cosplay Planner that was already on my shop, and Etsy decided to take it down because I had used one word in my listing which was trademarked, and although I had nothing to do with that company nor my listing was in any way, to my knowledge, doing anything to hurt them as a company, nor I was taking customers from them, they decided to take it down, even though, as I said, all the work in this planner and all the idea was totally mine. Arguably, I could have just re-uploaded this listing and just leave it as it was, but I decided to take a chance and just remake the whole thing from scratch and make it even better, because I thought if I wanted to put it back up after just feeling very down and very sad about this whole situation, which was like an honest mistake, I thought it would be a great idea to just like bring something new to the table, improve it, make it better, and just make it so everybody could get it and just feel like this was really a value item and something that you really can use for your cosplays and costumes. I have literally spent the last 3.5 months just thinking about this planner, on how to improve it, what pages to change, what pages to add. I have remade every single one of the photos, remade the covers, and I have literally started this project from scratch. It has taken me months and months to just get this ready for you, and after so long I'm so happy to finally show you the results of this new cosplay planner, which I really hope you all are going to love as much as I do. But enough talking, I just want to show you how awesome this planner is. As I said, it has many pages. There's like over 60 pages on this. There is some little extra details on it, and you can basically download it on A4 and letter size format, print it at home, and you can just print any of these pages as many times as you need or as few times as you need. Some of these pages I honestly don't use as often as others, but for example, the pages in which I am just drawing all my cosplays, those I will just like print over and over again. And I'm gonna show you how I go through some of these pages, because I don't know about you, but I'm super excited to just start filling this new cosplay planner, and I have a lot of work to do, so let's just go and start making some plans. These are only some of the pages that you can fill in your cosplay planner, and there's like plenty more. There's over 60 pages, and you can just print as many as you want or as little as you need, because you don't need to print the whole thing if you don't want to, and it is very handy to just use those hyperlinks to just go to the page you exactly need that day and print it, so you can just keep planning. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I really hope you get to make many new cosplays thanks to it. Remember that the planner will be available for the rest of the month on my Patreon at the special price, and you get all the extra things like all my work in progress pictures, lots of photos, lots of tips and tutorials. But if you want to go straight to the shop, it will also be available in the shop from today, so just go ahead and just plan your best life in cosplay and just have fun. Thank you very much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I am looking forward to carry on working on my new cosplays, and you will be some of these ideas come to life in here. So in order to do so, make sure you click the like, comment with what's the thing you want to do next, and of course, if you want to see it first, go and click the subscribe button where I will be showing you your next tutorials for cosplays. I can't wait to make more cosplays because I love cosplays. Yeah, I think that's quite clear. Thank you very much for watching, and I will be seeing you in the next adventure. Bye! Of course, you can always use the cosplay planner as a seat for your cats. It's like, yeah, the typical thing over here, you know. Right, Kitana? Yeah, thought so.